good morning, good afternoon, good evening, best boy Raphael, the dude that left home to feed home. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. Okay, welcome. Today, like always, say that I will be giving you updates on what is happening. Okay, the only thing I care about is your well-being, how you can also make money like us here. Okay, once we win together, it makes me more happier person. Okay, your progress is what makes me happy. I love seeing people succeed in life. Okay, that's why I create this platform, because this is where I can help anyone that needs my help. Okay, all right, today I'll be teaching you about this website that I found. Like, what we do here is that we hunt for the bag. Okay, we also hunt for the right and the genuine website that can pay you for doing some task, for doing some certain things. Okay, that's the only thing we do here. Once I see something that is working, I will come direct to you and show you how it works. And once you follow my guideline, you get the same result. It's very simple. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's go to this wonderful website. Okay, what I'll be covering today concerning this website is this. All right, I'll be covering this website. Is called Hawkit.ng. Okay, a lot of people have a lot of people know about this website. Okay, some don't know. All right, okay, this website I'll be covering. Okay, what is Hawkit.ng? Domain registration, I'll be covering it. How does Hawk.ng works? How does Hawk.ng works? Okay, Referral Commission, how to create accounts, very important. Okay, I'll be telling you all you need to know concerning this listed above. Okay, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about all those things. All right, a lot of people have been asking, what is Hawk.ng? Okay, is this website really paying or what? Okay, Hawk.ng is a platform that claims that its users can make money online by commenting likes, followers, sharing, and a lot more. Okay, according to this platform, users can earn up to 5,000 naira daily by completing tasks on their platform. Okay, this is all about this platform. You earn by commenting on their platform. You earn by doing a lot of things. You earn by completing a task. Okay, that's what this platform is all about. I will go more deep in explaining a lot of things you need to know about this website. Okay, all right, what I do is that once I see something that I would like to know everything about that stuff, so that once I come to you, I will show you and I'll tell you the way forward. Okay, if this website is not working, I will not come here to tell you about it, because your well-being is my concern. I want you to make it in life. Okay, that's my work here. So today I'll be covering all these things that I have said already. So what is the domain registration? Okay, the year of registration. Okay, so the year of registration is the 1st June 2020. 1st June 2020, that's the year of registration, and it starts on the 9th June 2020. Okay, so that's everything about the domain registration. If you want to know about the domain registration, that's what I just explained. Okay, and this website is registered with RC 1477464. Okay, that's the registration number. Okay, so other things you need to know about this website is that this website really pay its users. Okay, I will show you how you can register. I will show you everything you need to know about this website. Okay, so the next one is, how does this website works? Okay, because you need to know how the website works, so that you can know whether it's something that you can give your time or not. Okay, how does this website works? Okay, this website, first you are to sign up for a free account, and you are expected to activate your account with the sum of 1,000 naira. You are expected to sign up to this wonderful website with sum of 1,000 naira before you can start completing your task on this platform. Okay, you need to sign up with 1,000 naira. Registration is free, but you need to upgrade to, if you want to start doing some task in this platform, you need to sign up with 1,000 naira. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, the next one is referral commission. Okay, referral commission, that's the next one. Okay, this referral commission, once you refer someone to this platform, okay, you earn 500 naira instantly direct to your account. You earn 500 naira direct to your account once you refer someone to this website. All right, let's go to the website and I'll show you around. I'll show you how it works and everything. Okay, I think I'm done with explanation. Okay, let's just type it. Let's type the name, Hawkit.ng, Hawkit.ng. All right, we are making progress. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money, guaranteed. Okay, if this is not working, I will not come here to show you. I'm the only person that's come and show you everything you need to know, and nothing like, telling you lies. Okay, what I do here is that once I see something that is working, I'll come here and show you how you can do it. Okay, let me come back again. This website, okay, earn steady daily figures from the comfort of your phone. Okay, simple login or register to enjoy the amazing features on Hawkit. We are still going to come back to registration. Okay, please, if you want to register, simply go to my description below and you can see the link there. Use it to register and I promise you a surprise package for you. Okay, just use the link below to register. Okay, so perform social task and earn daily income by following, like, commenting, sharing. Okay, we are done with this one. Boost your social portfolio. Okay, if you want to boost your social media, okay, if you want to boost your page, if you want to boost your channel, if you want to do so many things, you can do it here. Okay, get real followers, like, comment, share, retweet, view or review on your social media post and account instantly. Okay, if you want to, if you want people to like, the real people to like your page, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, okay, both YouTube, you can go to this. All right, I love this particular one. Okay, start your airtime/data business. What people don't know that is that money that you pay to your bank, when you want to recharge, at least you can earn double, you can earn times 2 with this website. Okay, this website is real opportunity, life changer. Okay, earn up to 10,000 every day by buying airtime or data on Hawkit at up to 10% discounts and selling to friends and family at normal price. Okay, what they are saying here is that you can buy data or airtime, from this website, and you will keep 10% of it. Okay, you can keep 10% of any recharge card you make. So, and you can also resell it to your friends and family. Okay, if you are doing recharge card business, okay, you can, this is the right place to buy some airtime. Okay, if you are doing some of other businesses that require airtime, this is the best place to buy airtime. Okay, so make sure you come here and buy airtime, because this is the best opportunity I ever seen. Okay, best website. Okay, refer and earn big on Hawkit. So, like I said earlier, that once you refer your friend, you earn 500 naira. Okay, and don't forget that registration is 1,000 naira. Okay, you just share it, 500 naira to your friend. Okay, so it's very amazing, and this website, anybody can do all those things. Okay, you can refer your friends, tell them about this website, the way I'm telling you now. Okay, so once the person register through your link, you earn 500 naira instantly. So I love this website. Okay, buy and sell anything on Hawkit.ng, sorry. So you can buy and sell anything, like you can sell your phone, as you can see here, this phone is 52,000 naira. You can sell your phone, you can sell your jewelry, you can sell so many things with this website, okay? And the commission, you will earn everything. You will earn everything. And people can, you can, pay people to do all those things for you. You can pay people to, post all this ad on their Facebook accounts, on their WhatsApp accounts, okay? So once you pay someone to do this for you, to post this, and the person posts it, and let's say once someone posts this on their status, and eventually someone use the link to buy this particular stuff, okay, the whole gain is yours. So I love this website. I love the interface. I love everything about the website. Okay, later I'll be showing you the magic on how you can make more than 50,000 weekly, or more than with this website. Okay, what I show people is that once I show you what is happening, I will add my own, because I'll go more deep to know everything concerning the website. Okay, so the last one is, okay, you can manage and edit your profile, view your earning, fund your wallet, withdraw your funds into your bank account, and etc. Very simple. Let's go and let me show you how you can, sign up to this website. All right. Okay. You come here and, enter your full name. Okay. Let me enter my full name. Sorry. Okay. Then referral link. You just go to the description below. You will see the referral link. Okay. If you want to get that bonus I'll give you, just go to the description and you see referral link, my referral link. Just put it here and sign up. Click sign up. Then here you will put your email address. Okay. So you put your email address here and create accounts and password. Once you click your email address here, you create an account. Okay. After creating the account, you log in. All right. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay. So all I want to teach you is everything you need to know about Hawkit.ng. Okay. Then the next video I will be showing you the practical way. The next video is the main stuff. Okay. That's where I will show you how you can fund your account with 1,000 naira and how you can start earning immediately. Okay, I will show you a lot of things that nobody will teach you on how to make money online. Okay, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Okay, my joy, what makes me happy is when I see you, progressing in life. Okay, because I want us to win together. That's the reason why I'm in this work. Okay, I want us to win together. So please, thank you for watching, and if you are here watching us, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It's very simple and easy and also important, so that once I keep dropping the amazing videos that I have in my list, you'll be the first person to watch. Okay, and you'll be the first person to make money. Let me see in the comment below, just type "we hunt for the bag." Okay, that's the only thing we do. We hunt for the bag, the big bag. Okay, so just go to the comment below and type it. And if you have any question to ask, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm all yours. Okay, just once you ask questions, I will answer you. Okay, please, I need your questions, and please make sure you like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Okay, because I want us to win together. Thank you, and I still remain your boy, Referral. Okay, so make sure you join us for the next video, because the next video will be bomb. All right, peace.